Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing well. So this is basically a vlog of Ganesh Chaturthi in which I have prepared the bhog for Ganuji and even shown you people how to decorate and maintain the background for Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, so let's begin. I was just having a small space in my room, so I thought why not utilize this space in making the background of Ganuji. Okay, so I started with taking a plain yellow sari. This was an old sari of my mother. After this, I took a plain white net floral printed dupatta of mine. You can take any other color or you can even take any light shades. This will give your sari a vibrant look. After this, I took a piece of cloth in the shade bottle green. You can even take any other dark shades, for example wine or mustard or any other color which will suit the background. For further decoration, I took a pair of white plastic garland. Okay, so I folded these garlands in such a way that it looked as a pair of two, not one. Okay, you can see in the video. I was again and again calling my father for help because it's nearly difficult to do this activity all alone. Okay, so now I will set my study table on its original position. Now for the table cover, you need to take any satin cloth. Here I have taken an old curtain of mine. It was in the shade half white. You can even take a vibrant color, for example wine. It will give your table a very nice look. Okay, so now let's prepare Ganuji's asan. For this you have to take a vibrant color as I mentioned earlier. Here I have taken a nice shiny yellow color cloth. You can even take a sheet. It will be actually a better option. Then take a red color puja cloth. Then take a pair of white garland and decorate them as shown in the video. After this, I will keep my trunk singhasan in the center which I have made at home. If you wanna know how I have made this singhasan, I will provide the link in the description box. Now decorate the background of the singhasan with some orange, red and yellow garlands as shown in the video. Further, I have taken a circular artificial leaf ring. In this, I have attached my ring light and I have kept this in the center of the singhasan. This will reflect the light behind Ganuji. Okay, so after lighting up, it will look like this. Okay, so I will keep my small basket beside the main singhasan, and it's finally the time to show you my Ganuji. So before doing Ganeshji's sthapna, I will decorate him with some market purchased and handmade jewelry. First, I will decorate it with pagdi. This I purchased from market. Then I will decorate him with this white pearl jewelry. This I have made this at home. Moving further to the mirror work shawl, this I have stitched at home. It's very simple. If you wanna know, I will provide you a video for the same. So here is the final look of my Ganuji's background and you can see it a jhaki. Do let me know in the comment section, did you like the decoration and the background of our Ganuji?